class 2, how are you? Today I am going to teach you subtraction, your chapter. This is your third chapter, and open your page number 28. In your previous class you have to learn about how to do addition, and today I am going to teach you how to subtract, how to minus the digits. Okay. ऑन सब्ट्रैक्शन वी टेक अवे टू फाइंड आउट हाउ मच इज़ लेफ्ट. सब्ट्रैक्शन करने के लिए हमें जितने नंबर दिए हैं उसमें से कुछ नंबर्स जो हैं वो निकाल देने हैं. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल्स, इफ़ यू हैव 10 pencils and you will give 5 pencils to your brother, how many pencils are left with you? Okay. Firstly you have to draw a line and then you have to do backward counting. Okay, do you remember in subtraction on number line we always count backward? Now see in example number 3, example this 8 minus 3. Okay, from 8 we will take away 3. Firstly we have to draw a line between 0 to 10, and then we have to draw a line 0 to 8, and then we will take away 3 digit numbers. Okay, 8 7 6 5. The answer will be 5. How many are left there? 5. Okay, we keep our fingers on 8 and then count 3 place back and reach 5. Okay, now here is some exercise for you. Firstly we have to do this exercise. I will explain how to do this exercise, how to do this questions. Okay, firstly we have to draw a line. Okay, from 13 we will take away 6. How many numbers are left? Okay, now count. Firstly we have to draw a line. We will always start with 0. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. Okay, now 13, from 13 we will take away how many? 6. Firstly we have to draw a line between 0 to the number is 13. Okay, and then we will count what? Backward counting. 6 digit. 1 2 3 4 5 6. How many numbers are left? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, the answer will be 7. Now see next portion. From 15 we will take away 7. How many numbers are left? Firstly we have to draw a line. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. Okay, now from 15 we will take away 7, equal to how many are left? Firstly we have to draw a line between 0 to 15. Then we will take away 7 digit, 7 numbers. 1, okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many numbers are left? 8. The answer will be 8. From 15 minus 7, answer will be equals to 8. Now see next question number 3. From 18 we will take away 9. Firstly we have to draw a line. This is question number 3. A straight line. You will use scale if you are draw a line. Okay. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay. From 18 we will take away 9. We will draw a line between 0 to 18. We will take away 9 numbers. We will use backward counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. We will subtract these numbers from digit 18. The answer will be 9. Okay, this is our answer. 18 minus 9 equal to 9. Here are more questions for you. Do yourself these questions. Do more and more practice of these sums. Okay. Now turn your page number 30. Next exercise. Write each of the following in sentence from. We will write sentence for this exercise. Okay. First is already done for you. Now see here. 5 minus 2 equals to, how we say this? From 5 take away 2 leaves 3. Okay. Leave means left. How many numbers are left? Now look at the B. 6 minus 1 equals to 5. How to write this? From 6, okay, then use comma, take away, how many number? 1. Okay, answer leave, then comma, leaves 5. Okay. Now see, do with me, take out your rough copy and do this questions, and you have to do this in your book also with me. From 9, comma, take away how many numbers? Take away 5. Okay, comma, and leaves 4. Okay. D, do yourself. Okay, question number D, do yourself. And now see, next question number 2. Write each of the following using symbols minus and equal to. Okay, we use symbols here. Okay, from 7, for example, 1 is already done for you. Now see here, these are in sentence, we have to use only symbols here. Okay, this is the symbol minus and equals to. Now see B, from 7 take away 6, lives 1. We will use symbols here. Okay, how to do? 7 minus 6 equal to 1. Now see, from 10 take away 5, lives 5. 10 minus 5 equal to 5. D, question number D, do yourself. Now see here, 3. Circle the subtraction that give the correct number written in the last column. Okay. Now see here, see these numbers and this. 6 minus 1, if we subtract 6 from 6, we will take away 1, the answer will be 5. 5. Look at here, this is 5, the answer will be 5. This one is correct. We will circle here. Okay. This one is correct. 12 minus 4. If we minus 12 minus 4, how many numbers are left? Do the sum. How many numbers are left? 8. Okay, 8. It means this is also correct answer. Okay, now see here, C. The number is 4 here. We have to do all subtraction. After that, we will give answer. Now see here, the number is 6. Do the subtraction, do this, do this. If 6 is matched with correct number, we have to circle those numbers. Okay. Now see, 19 minus 14. If we minus 19 minus 14, how many numbers are left? 5. Okay. No, this is not correct. Now do this. 13 minus 6. 7. Okay. This is not correct. If we minus 11 minus 5. Yes, this is correct. Okay. We have to circle this number. Okay. You have to do all subtraction, after that you get answer, otherwise you will not get answer. Okay, do more and more practice of these subtraction questions. Now D and E you have to do yourself. Now see in the question, page number 31. Count backward and write the answer. In this question you have to count backward counting. Okay, if you get answer. Now see page number 31, exercise and question number 1. count backward and write the answer. In this question you count backward counting. 69 minus 7. 69. Okay, here we count backward counting. We will draw a box. Okay, 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, 7 boxes are there. 69 68 67 66 65 64 63 62. From 69 we will take away 7. The answer will be 62. The last number is our answer. Okay, for example, now see question number B. 72. From 72 take away 6. We have to write 72 here. We will draw 6 boxes here. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, 72 71 70 69 68 67 66. The answer will be, from 72 take away 6. The answer will be 66. Okay, now see next. Number C. Okay, 83. From 83 take away 5. Firstly we have to write 83 here, and then we will make boxes, 5 boxes. 1 2 3 4 5. Now count backward. 83 82 81 80 79 and 78. The answer will be, last box number digit is our answer. The answer is, from 83 minus 5 equals to 78. Question number D, you have to do yourself. Now see subtraction on the following. A. 82 minus 2. In this subtraction you have to do like this. Okay, 2 minus 2 0, and 8, note down, same here, because no digits are here, there is not any digit, so we will write 0 here. Okay, the answer will be 80. 82 minus 2 equal to 80 is our answer. Now next, B. 38 subtract 4. 38 minus 4. 38 minus 4. Okay, this is ones. This is 4 is in ones digit number, so we have to write this 4 digit number here, because this is ones and this is tens. Okay, in your previous class you learn about that. No numbers are there, so we have to write 0. Okay, and 8 minus 4, how many numbers are left? 4. Okay, and 3, we have to note down here 3. The answer will be 34. Now next, C. 77 minus 2 equal to 77 minus 2. 7 minus 2. How many numbers are left? You use your finger also. Take out 5 fingers and then minus 2. How many is left? How many numbers are left? Yes, 5. Okay. 5 and 7, 75. This is your answer. 77 minus 2 equal to 75. Okay. Now here some more questions for you. Do yourself, do more and more practice of these questions at home. Now turn your page. A subtraction of 2-digit number. Okay. Write the bigger number on top and smaller below it, and subtraction using column subtraction. Always write bigger number top and then write smaller number below if you are subtract any number. Now see here, this is one step. 26, subtract 26 from 58. We have to subtract how many digits? 26. Okay, from how many numbers? 58 numbers. Firstly, we have to write bigger number on top and smaller number below the bigger number. And then 8 minus 6, 8 minus 6, 2, and 5 minus 2, 3. The answer will be 32. Okay. Now do these questions. Now see page number 33. The number is 89. 89 is bigger than 53. Okay. This is ones and this is tens. 89, 53. 47, 12. Don't forget to write this symbol. Okay. This is showing what operation you are doing. Okay. 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3, how many numbers are left? You have to draw a line. How many lines? 9 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And cut 3 lines. Okay. Cut 3 lines. And now count these lines. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. And write down this 6 in ones digit number, and then draw 8 lines and cut 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and cut 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many lines are left? How many lines are left? 3. Okay. 36 is our answer. If we subtract from 89 and 53, we will take away. The answer will be 36. Now do this. Draw a line. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here is 9. So we draw 9 lines are here and cut 3 lines. 3. How many numbers are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, 6, and then subtract 8 from 8. Draw 8 line, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Cut 5 lines, 3 4 5, 36. Same answer. And now you have to use your finger also. Take out your 7 fingers, this is 5, and 2 more, this is 7, and minus 2 numbers. Okay, now 5 is left. Now take out your 4 fingers and minus 1. How many are left? 3. Okay, 35. Here is more questions for you. Do yourself. Okay, do this page in your book. Now open your page number 34. Turn your page. Page number 34. Question number 2. Arrange these numbers in column and find their difference. Okay. We have to arrange these numbers in column. How to arrange these numbers in column? For example, A 64 and 32. We have to subtract 32 from 64. Bigger number, we have to write bigger number at the top and lower number below the bigger number. We have to mark this sign, subtraction sign. Now 4 minus 2, 2, and 6 minus 3, 3. 32 is our answer. Okay, we have to frame these numbers in this method. Now do B 77 and 30. 77, 30, 7. If we minus 0 from any number, the answer will be same. Okay, nothing will be subtract. 7, we have to write same 7 number here. 7 minus 3, 4, 47. Okay, this is our answer. Do this exercise, okay, like this: 64, 32, subtraction, tens and ones. 4 minus 2, 2, 6 minus 3, like 32. Okay, do yourself. Now see page number 35. Here is 3-digit numbers. How to do subtract in 3-digit numbers? Firstly, we have to subtract ones, after that tens, then 100. Okay. Exercise: subtract the following 3-digit number. Write down question number 1. 667. From 667 we have to subtract 432. 7 minus 2, 5. 6 minus 3, 3. 6 minus 4, 2. The answer will be 435. Our answer is 435. Now see question number 2. 1 tens, 100. Okay. The number is 895. 895. From 895 we have to take away how many numbers? 363. 5 minus 3, you use a line and or you use finger also. 5 minus 3, how many numbers are left? 2 numbers. 9 minus 6, 3. 8 minus 3, 5. 532 is our answer. In your next video, I will teach you how to do story sums. Okay, now take care, do more and more practice of these subtraction, and don't forget addition also. Do more and more subtraction, addition both. Okay, now take care, stay healthy, stay safe.